Welcome. Today, we're unlocking a super simple yet incredibly useful feature of Google Chrome: how to find specific text on a web page. Whether you're deep into research or just hunting for a particular phrase, this guide will show you the updated steps to search smarter and faster. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. First, fire up your Google Chrome browser, your gateway to the endless world of websites and information. Once Chrome is open, head to the web page where you want to search for specific text. Step 2. Access the Find feature. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser. See those three vertical dots? That's the Chrome menu. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu filled with options to enhance your browsing experience. From this menu, select Find in Page. Quick tip: want an even faster way? Use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+F. On Mac, press Command+F. This shortcut instantly brings up the search box, saving you time. Step 3. Search for text. With the search box open at the top of your screen, type the word or phrase you're looking for. As you type, Chrome will immediately highlight every instance of your search term on the page in yellow. It's like having a highlighter that does all the work for you. Pro tip: look at the search box. It tells you how many matches are found, like 1 of 5. This means your term appears 5 times on the page. Use the up and down arrows next to the search box to jump between each occurrence. Step 4. Read in context. Once you've found your search term, take a moment to read it in context. This not only helps you locate specific details, but also gives you a better understanding of how it fits into the larger content of the page. Why this feature rocks. Google Chrome's Find in Page feature is a game changer for researchers, students, or anyone navigating through lengthy articles. It saves time, boosts productivity, and makes your browsing experience more efficient. Summary. Let's recap the steps. 1. Open Chrome and go to the web page. 2. Access the menu and select Find in Page, or use the shortcut Ctrl+F Windows or Command+F Mac. 3. Type your word or phrase to highlight matches. 4. Use the arrows to navigate through the results and read them in context. And there you have it. You're now a pro at finding text on web pages. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide made your browsing easier, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell for more quick and helpful tutorials.